Go.
There you go.
Go in there!
Good job, Anthony.
In the video again.
Good job. This is fourth, right?
Watch him in.
Ah, damn. That was a nice.
That much is stuck.
Yep.
I've never been. I know it's cold.
It was freezing.
Good for you.
A little close, but I don't care. Oh.
Good job.
Right there. Good job, Nikki.
Go, Justin! Go! Oh, okay.
Next Friday. Nikki's in this one.
Christian's going to the playground.
Nikki's in
Go! Yeah, honey! Go, Chris! Run it! Go!
Yeah!
Oh, Justin! Good job, Nikki! Right there.
Good job, Nikki.
Oh my God, Nikki!
Don't eat all our snacks. Go!
Right here!
Okay, I want the barbecue.
Come on, I don't really care for it. Come on,
Out of them.
Was that one kid still on the team that we ran like 2 laps on the field over there.
Go, Mexico, go!
I didn't think so.
I had to roll it. Oh shit. Oh, go.
Good job, Evan! The whole time. I feel like it's starting to pop out in 2 seconds.
Get it! Yeah!
He was really fair for a white football player.
Justin's open.
Score on defense. Come on, guys. Score on defense. Come on.
Dang. Not.
I really can't even jump. Like I can jump.
We'll make it easy.
Get him.
Go, Chris! Justin! Go! Go, Chris! Come on! Or something. I don't remember what he said.
Go!
Justin! Why is he doing it to you?
Yeah! I'm only one-handed.
26-19 in case anyone's wondering. Justin! What's he doing? Oh! Dang.
Oh,
He's right there. He's open. Justin, that was your...
come on, defense. Rush.
God. I want to look at your butt. I want to watch the game. Way too young.
He dropped it.
Why is he even saying anything?
Oh no, he's probably pissing.
A little bit. He's throwing it everywhere but. Wide open.
Yeah! I'm gonna show you. Wait, what is this? I don't want to watch that.
Let's get the ball back! Let's get the ball back! Let's intercept that ball!
Watch yourself, Justin.
That ball is ours! That ball is ours!
Bro.
Yeah!
But their start. She'll record on the screen. But then after the play.
Okay, play it.
Got it.
Playing. Okay, it's playing. You're recording. Don't get hit.
Go, baby! Go, baby! Go! Some juice on that, baby! Put some juice on it!
Down. I love it now. I like how the clouds are.
Let's go, defense!
Come on, Austin.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
Good kid, good kid. Good job. Get the ball back. Pressure! Pressure! Get the ball back! Get the ball back! Pressure defense! Pressure! Pressure defense! Pressure defense! Come on!
Pass the line! Pass the line!
Pressure! 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 Get him! Get him! Get him!
Quick handoff.
Pressure, man! Pressure! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Don't cough at all. Oh yeah. So over him, I can't see myself. Oh my God. I told Mike, I said, Mike,
Backside the ball.
Justin! Catch that grip!
But yeah, he did it. He knows.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Good. Before you have to be the rest of the
I don't know, way too much probably. Come on, it's gotta be like 8 50.
Pressure. Perfect.
Nikki, grab it!
Come on! Pressure! Pressure! Pressure!
Nice! Next start. Take the ball! Come on! Pass! Shit! Get it down the field. Come on! Offense, wait a minute, what am I thinking? Right here. Go, Chris, run!
Go, baby, go, baby.
Turn it!
Jumped up.
We need to win it. Come on, boys. You got it.
Let's go defense. Come on.
No! Oh, good try!
Come on, defense. Pressure.
Nice, Justin.
Come on, go. Pressure.
Stay on him, Justin.
Hold up. Pressure. Come on.
Get him!
Good, Anthony.
Come on. Get him.
Down by 2.
Pick him there!
Javi!
Who was supposed to be covering that kid? Whose kid was that?
Yeah, I have no clue.
Right here, Austin. Get him. Number 3, y'all. Yeah.
Hey, if they get this good,
Down by 1. Down by 2. No, they're down by 2. Sorry, they're down by 2.
They're only going
And
for
going
1.
for 2.
Oh, okay, yeah, they are.
I don't know.
That's cool. Anthony's mom, do you hear it?
Oh, we can stop.
There you go.